So I have some hardwood floor here to patch in. I used to have a wall here. There's a doorway here. I have to patch this little guy in and patch in here. So I'll show you how to do this. Basically, what I'm going to be doing, because this section I need to patch in and all this, what I'm going to end up doing is pulling all this floor up and reusing it and starting fresh with this piece here. So I'll start with that piece all the way across, and then I want to stagger these joints. So I'm basically going to want to come back here a little bit, mark it, carefully cut this, not cutting into this piece or this piece, and then this next piece I can cut so that the seams don't line up. Maybe cut it here, or I can cut it further back here, and just keep staggering them as I go and fill it all in. Also, I was able to salvage a couple old pieces of hardwood because I did some built-in shelving here and it was going to be covered up. So I ended up taking these pieces out of there, or if you take an old piece out of here, sand it down, figure out what kind of wood it is, and you can get some new pieces to patch in, and then just stain it, poly it, whatever you need to do. Or sometimes they come pre-finished if you're patching a pre-finished floor. This one I can just put the natural pieces in and then sand the entire floor and refinish it. Okay, all that. All the hardwood's out. Now I'm gonna just make some rough marks here. This one's good. It's a square cut. It's nice and square. That'll look good. And then I'll do this one about here, and then cut this one like here. This one like here. You just want it to look kind of natural, like you weren't patching in. Cut here, and then another one up here, and then this one out here, and then do this one here, another one here, and then here, and then this last one we'll do about here. Okay. So now I'm going to cut all those out. Guess I should put the fan in. Okay, all the seams are cut. I'm going to vacuum all out and make sure get all these little things out of the way. Make sure all these are clean. When you're cutting these, it's okay to cut at an angle going this way, but not this way, because when you butt your piece to it, you want the top to be tight and you don't have the bottom push out on it. And you saw me using my screwdriver to kind of break the wood. I was kind of getting a piece in the middle broken up, and then I pulled that out, and then that way you can pull it away from the tongue and the groove and the tongue. And just be careful not to mess up these edges when you're doing it. Looks pretty good though. Make sure when you put these in, they're all going to be able to lock into each other. Should be okay. Make sure both ends are square. Some of these, you're going to have to do all of these square cut. So you have to cut the tongue off if you have new hardwood. Just patch them in. And there you go. The hardwood is patched. Obviously you can tell where the patches are, but once you sand it all down, make it even, stain it or poly it, whatever you want to do, fill in like here. Obviously something wasn't square when they went around the wall. The hardwood tapered off that way a little bit probably, and you have this gap here at the last piece where you fill that with wood filler, and all the nail holes, fill those and stain it and poly it. Hopefully that helps out.